Hi everyone in Hawaii, Ohio State, UNT, ASU, and Gonzaga. It's Ms. V, and this week we're doing lessons 31 through 35. Before we start, let's practice some sounds. First sound, S. Your turn. What sound? Yes, S. Next sound, Eh. Your turn. What sound? Yes. Next sound. Ah. Your turn. What sound? Yes. Ah. Next sound. A. Your turn. What sound? Yes. A. Next sound. I. Your turn. What sound? Yes. I. Next sound. You. Your turn. What sound? Yes. You. Next sound. Ch. Your turn. What sound? Yes. Ch. Next sound. B. Your turn. What sound? Yes. B. Next sound. K. Your turn. What sound? Yes. K. Next sound. D. Your turn. What sound? Yes. D. Next sound. G. Your turn. What sound? Yes. G. Next sound. Your turn. What sound? Yes. Awesome job. Now let's move on to the story. Go ahead and turn to story 3:1:31. Once you're done, hit play again. Okay, I'm going to read the story one time with you, then you will read it 3 times by yourself. Starting at the title. Spot takes a trip. One day, Spot said, I want to go on a trip in my car. So she did. She got in her car and went down the road. Soon she stopped. She asked a man, Where can I get gas? The man said, On Best Street. Spot said, Where did you say? Tell Spot what the man said. Spot went to Best Street and got gas. Then she went down the road some more. Soon she stopped. She asked the lady, Where is the town of Dim? The lady said, Dim is 5 miles down the road. Spot asked, Where did you say? Tell Spot what the lady said, and Spot went to the town of Dim. Then Spot stopped and asked a man, Where is a store that sells bones? The man said, Go down to Main Street. Where did you say? Spot asked. Tell Spot what the man said. So Spot went to the store and got a bag of bones. She had a good trip. The end. Looking at the picture, you see Spot right here in the car. Turning the page and moving on to worksheet 3:1. Number 1. How did Spot go on her trip? Number 1. How did Spot go on her trip? In a boat, in a truck, in a car. Number 2. What town was she looking for? What town was she looking for? Down, dim, town. Number 3. What did Spot get in the store? Number 3. What did Spot get in the store? A bag of toys, a bag of bones, a bag of dogs. Number 1. Make a box next to the circle. Make a box next to the circle. Number 2. Make r over the circle. Make r over the circle. Number 3. Make v under the box. Make v under the box. Number 1. Make 9 over the box. Make 9 over the box. Number 2. Make v under the circle. Make v under the circle. Number 3. Make d in the box. Number 3. Make d in the box. Now let's go over, under, and next to. Right here, this is over. Over. Right here, this is under. This side or this side is next to. This side or this side is next to. Make sure you write nice and neat when you're writing your sentences right here. Moving on. A boy did not cry. The other boys said, "We will teach you to cry." So they did. Number 1. A blank did not cry. Girl, man, boy. Number 2. What did the other boys teach the boy? How to try, how to cry, how to fly. Next section. A bird had 6 hats. She gave 5 hats to her sister. Now the bird has 1 hat. Let's read that little story again. A bird had 6 hats. She gave 5 hats to her sisters. Now the bird has 1 hat. Number 1. The bird had blank hats. The bird had blank hats. 1, 6, 5. Number 2. Now the bird has blank hat. Now the bird has blank hat. 1, 6, 5. 1, 6, 5.